So today I'm gonna show y'all, or no. So today we're gonna start a lettuce grow and a kale grow, and this will be part of my fall garden. So I'm gonna give y'all the little rundown of everything I'm doing. I'm keeping it very minimalistic on this grow here, you know, using minimal tools and minimal resources. That's how I like to do everything, you know. I like to keep everything very natural. I like to do it easy, and I don't like to spend a lot of time, you know, messing around. And so I've been doing this for like about 2 years now, and I pretty much got it down. So real quick, I'm gonna show y'all how to start a really quick garden anywhere using about one tool. All right, so here we go. So the first thing we want to do, we'll get our hoe and we're just gonna dig a trench. Just gonna make a trench in a straight line. We may need to pull up some weeds here and there. That's pretty standard. Every garden is gonna be overrun with those, either weeds or grass. Next thing we'll do, we'll grab our soil and we're gonna put it in our trench and make that straight line all the way down. And this method of gardening here is just a simple, easy way to do it without having to do too much, you know. This is the way I kind of found that it's the easiest to do. So that's actually an old lettuce plant from last year, or from earlier in the year for that matter. And I accidentally dug it up. So I'm just gonna put it right back in the ground so she can continue to grow and put out her seed. And that way all the previous lettuce plants that have grown and gone away can drop their seed, and we'll get tons and tons of lettuce to just grow on its own. All right, first up is our kale. So we're gonna plant kale on our first row to the far right here. Now, if too many seeds fall out in one place, you can just pick up the seeds or pick up the dirt where you dropped it and sprinkle it through. Try to make it as even as possible, so we maximize our row as much as we can. We're gonna use our feet and pack those seeds in nice. Not absolutely necessary, I just like to do it. All right, then we grab our fertilizer. Whatever type of fertilizer we have, whether store-bought or you made it on your own. Put our fertilizer in our trench with our potting soil and our seeds, or our garden soil for that matter. All right, so we just finished our first row. Up next is our lettuce seeds, and we'll plant lettuce in these next 2 rows. We're gonna plant our lettuce the same way we did our kale. Our fertilizer, make sure when we plant our new seed, we go ahead and put some fertilizer down just to give them the optimal chance to grow and become a plant. Kind of give them like a little boost to get started growing. And we just pack our rows in. You know, we use our hands, push that trench together and close it up, you know, really easy. I like to leave a line of my garden soil coming through just so I remember where I planted something, you know, or if someone who didn't see me plant comes along, they'll know that something happened here, you know, and they won't just do whatever to the ground there. So, you know, I like to do that just for a point of reference. right, and last but not least, make sure when we put new seeds in the ground, we go ahead and throw some water down there. And we want to make sure we keep our fresh new seeds moist at all times. We don't want to let them dry out. So then we're going to reduce our chance in growing a successful plant. So we want to come out twice a day, maybe even 3 times, you know, depending on the season, and just make sure that the ground is wet by our new seeds. So that was just a quick little video starting a lettuce and kale garden. Just something real slight, you know. This will be my fall garden. So my summer garden is pretty much through. And I done let everything go, but now I'm kind of running low on lettuce. And my grandma said she wants some kale, so the kale for her, well, I'm gonna eat it too, of course. But the lettuce for me, like, I need that lettuce. So I'll keep y'all posted, you know, with the updates of my new 2 rows, 3 rows. We'll see how it goes. I did a fall garden last year. It worked out pretty well. You know, as long as I get out here and water them joints, man, that's the hardest thing. Like, on a 90-something degree day, you really don't feel like being out here watering nothing but yourself. But we gonna keep it going though, man. You know, we gotta eat to live. So that's the goal. We eat to live. Get it, y'all.